New car, new coupe, new fit, new swag, new shoe, new bitch, new bride, new boo.
What's up guys, Salesman Noel is back with another banger. Today was a special day because it's Monday and for me the best ecom day in 165 days of my journey. We're absolutely cooking that shit up. As you saw in the intro, just like I said, it's Monday. We went to school, woke up with a sale, felt very great. In the early morning and till lunch, there's like always like zero to no traffic on website. I think it's because everyone is fucking working and doesn't have time to look TikTok and buy shit from the internet. And at 12 till 1 there's always like a big like a peak, because everyone has like a break, and we got 2 sales there. I'm very happy to get these results. And after that we went into the gym, boom, we got more sales. Also we went shopping and bought some groceries, as you can see now. I don't know why, but I just love shopping because you see all these fucking bots eating the dumb shit and they're not buying my shit away, so I'm just mugging the hell out of them. And here the guy's vaping stuff. That's so goofy, bro. Bananas, avocado, cucumbers, bio beef, broccoli, potato, bio rice. Yeah, that's the only thing you need. You don't need any sweets, you don't need any chips, you don't need any soft drinks. Just drink fucking water. Like, bro, you're gonna get so mocked with that shit. The only thing I'm doing that I'm gonna eat is dates, and even though they are fucking good, so not cheating, it's the best and just feeling so good. If you guys try that out, just eating rice and beef with eggs and some vegetables to it and some fruit, you're gonna feel wonderful. And we just getting sales like all the time, being euphoric as fuck. I know that's not good. I need to be chill in every situation because maybe tomorrow I'm not gonna get any fucking sale. So settle them horses, get back to business. Yeah guys, I think nobody expected this, that my ass gonna have like a 430 day. We absolutely cooking. We got 60 euro ad budget. You can do the math yourself. Product is like, it's like 10-20% of it. We get out with a good amount of profit there. First time having profit else from organic. I think we got like 200 profit in organic sales. I used that, went into minus like 76 euros minus in ad spend, and now we should be at like 100 to 200 euros in profit for tomorrow. We got 3 ad campaigns running still. Increased the budget on 2 of those. Changed the conversion goal from add to cart to complete payment, and 1 ad group was a bit meh, so I just cycled in 2 new ads as Spark ads and keep it on 20 euro budget with complete payment. So probably tomorrow will maybe be a drop because like 2 ad campaigns gonna configure themselves new with complete payment, and the Pixel should recognize it. Maybe we're gonna go crazy, maybe not, but I think at the end of the week my goal is to have minimum 1k day. As some of you know guys, my goal is 30k this year. We still 35 days left, you know. If I'm gonna get 1k a day, I'm gonna be at 35k at the end of the year, and I never thought that could happen, but I'm gonna give my best to scale this store as much as I can, improve it as much as I can, even though I'm a beginner. Yeah, I'm very proud of myself. I thank God because I'm 100% sure that's not only mine, it's also God's fault that he wanted this for me. So I pray for him every night. Yeah guys, you should do that too. If you have any religion, maybe you're a Muslim, maybe you're a Christian, maybe you're Buddhist, maybe you're a Jude. I'm so grateful. And yeah guys, that's it for the video. Join the Discord down below to connect with other guys, get tons of value. Also like and subscribe to see if I'm gonna reach 30k this year. Gonna give my best that I will hit it. And also my other 2 goals. My other goal is to bench 100 kilos this year. I failed 95 on Saturday, but I don't care, still gonna bench 100 this year.